Right, it's Great Yarmouth Wheels Festival 2025, and this is actually one of my favourite times of the year that I like doing, seeing all the different cars and motorbikes. And yeah, it's actually better than ever because we've actually got a really nice sunny day for it. So as usual, like every year, I normally walk around, see all the different cars and other vehicles. I've actually got some good lineups this year, like all the classic cars and hot rods and sports cars. There's like a stunt show further down. There's even the return of the little monster truck, and I can't wait to see that. So without further ado, let's get started on the Wheels Festival. It's going to be a busy one today because it's sun shining all around and it's going to be very packed, so let's go. So we've got all the different emergency services over here. So you've got like the Coast Guard, the police and the fire service over there, sort of in this front section. And you've got some little information stalls over here. And this is where we find all the different cars. These are quite nice. Here's a little look at some of the sports cars. Oh, this is a nice car coming up on the right hand side. Nice classic Ford. BMWs. Porsche. Yeah, this is a classic car, this is. Love the inside of it as well. 1916. Just look how comfortable the seating is. There you are, you've got some classic beach buggies just here. Do really like these. Got a black one here. And then on the right we've got a purple one with a little skeleton here as well. I think I remember seeing this last year, I think.
Raymond, how do I turn your camera off?
Got a little hot rod just here. Got a Jeep. Or a Land Rover, I should say. That's a Land Rover, yep. Got a Mini Cooper. Look how tiny it is. This is actually one of my favourite ones, I think. Let's have a look at the inside. Right down there. Wonder if it's modified. Yeah, probably.
Put that green license away.
No, I've got a pink one.
Is that for
Yeah, I'm quite glad.
Love you. I bet you
So where are we on the set? Are they?
Seen a lot of different cars and hot rods and motorbikes so far, and yeah, we're just going to continue our way along the promenade. Very busy day today, so I'll try and see if we can get any more cars down this way.
Should we just meet?
snap oversteer.
Think about some memories, square clubs. The Mr. and Mrs. Edwards is the club connections, and they've got a daughter and her boyfriend. They're quite close. So I bet
The dog. Like that was it, she was doing all the things she wanted to do.
Adam, look at that one.
Look at that, look.
Right, that is it then from Great Yarmouth Wheels Festival 2025. I really enjoyed the event a lot more this year, because apparently last year wasn't so good because unfortunately it was due to the weather, plus there wasn't actually much because it was raining as well. And yeah, what better way to come out in the sunshine and have a look at all the different cars. There's been some really good ones like the sports cars, the show cars and the hot rods and all those other different vehicles you'll ever see. I also saw the red Dragon monster truck towards the end. And yeah, it's just been a really good experience and I cannot wait to do it all over again next summer. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and I will see you all in another video very soon. And remember, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. Bye for now.